tayo ng Graham.
Ako
So now, kailangan natin gupitin. And then, pour natin dito. Gamit tayo ng isang all-purpose cream lang. Ay, baby, wala tayo lalagyan ng Graham.
Mix mo na. Mix. Ay, slowly only. It will happen. Yan, ganito only. Slowly. Like that. No, slow only. No.
It's open, Mommy. Wait more. Mommy. Wait more, Mommy.
Wait ko.
It's open.
She's opening a can.
Hi, guys. Hi, you.
Baby Rich is mixing all-purpose cream and the milk.
Put the milk.
Yes, this is the condensed milk.
Ikot. Mix mo na, baby. Slowly. Akin nahahawakan ko na.
Hawakan, hindi kita ang ulo mo eh. Hayo, guys. Sabi mo, anak. Hayo, guys. Mixing. Puno mo na nga. Naandar pa yan. Mixing, guys.
Guys, hello. I'm making. Look. I'm making.
Mixing, not making.
Haluin mo.
Taste mo. Yummy.
Mommy.
It's good. Sabi mo, hi guys, it's very good. Ako naman. Ayan, natapon na.
Ita.
Ayun.
Ganito yung may parang.
May
Hanggang, alaka ka pa yan hanggang ganito. Anak, iyo ganito. Anak! Same kayo. Ayun.
ganito ang akin.
Ganito. Ayan.
Go.
Huwag mo masyado igalaw-gawa. Dahan-dahan anak.
I'm gonna mix it
Ito yung
first.
Graham natin.
Ay, it's so nice. Lakas na.
Huwag ka dyan, very rich. We have to
Told you, slowly only.
And there's mango.
Huh? We don't have mangoes.
Grapes na lang.
Mango.
Ay,
Mango nga naman.
daw yun.
Mango float.
Ay, kumain ka muna kayo.
Pangalo pa.
Hindi lalagyan, tsaka panghalo. Okay, we're gonna follow, guys.
They will help me, Mommy.
Yeah, Beavers is helping Mommy. We're going to make, sabi mo, Graham. We're going to make
They will
Graham.
help me.
Yeah, Baby Rich will help Mommy to make a Graham. It's so yummy, guys. You tell to everybody.
I taste it, Daddy.
You taste everybody. Huh? What taste? Is it sweet?
It's milk.
And
It's milk.
it tastes like a milk.
They will help me.
Yeah, you will help Mommy. Thank you, anak. I love you. Careful. Mommy is doing this. And you have
Hi. Bye, Tito.
Tito is just getting lalagyan.
Again.
Yes, for the Graham.
Graham.
Yes.
Graham.
You,
Mango.
yes. We don't have mango.
Nothing mango.
Yes.
Oh, mango.
We only using the
Oh, it's Popeye.
It's a bread.
Yes. Oh, baby, big stand.
Yeah. Careful lang, baby. Wait, careful lang para hindi siya matapon. Like you're going to mix all the ingredients. You say, mix the ingredients. Because we're making a...
Hi, we'll help Mommy. We'll help Mommy.
Thank you, anak.
daw.
Ayan na.
Asya na
Wag
lang.
yan, yung may taklo.
Takip.
Takloban na lang.
Ano tataklo dyan? Hindi yan magpo-frozen kasi ano. Hindi yan magpo-frozen. Gawa ng babasagin.
It's frozen. Ano frozen?
Yung, sabi mo yung pinaglagyan dati.
It's frozen.
Yung pink ang taklob.
It's good like this.
Dali, magbabalat ka pa ng grapes sa ibabaw. Halo-halo ano. Grabe, ang init ngayon.
Hi, Ma. Hi. Help Mommy.
Say hi mga
I
kabubu.
help. You help me, Mommy.
Thank you so much for helping Mommy doing Graham. Yes.
Okay.
Is mosquito bite you?
Um,
The mosquito bite you?
mosquito.
The...
Go mosquito.
Huh?
Go in the others.
What? Tito Boy na upstairs?
No, it's not doing that.
Dahan-dahan na para hindi siya punta sa...
No, it's mine.
It's
It's by you.
We're mixing the milk and the all-purpose
No,
cream.
it's mine. It's here.
Yan na. Oh, it's so bango. So yummy.
Mommy.
Ayun! Natapon na. Ayun na, Johan, let's go na. Let's go na.
Tanggal na lang daw yung sasaya.
Okay.
Tanggal na lang daw yung sasaya. Dari na lang.
No.
Saan nilalagay yung salad? Ay, oo nga, dala mo.
Ikaw na daw.
Tatanggalin ko lang yung sa salad.
Ako muna. My turn. My turn. Oh, ang galing. Like this. Ako daw, can I try it?
No, how try it?
Ano ba? Ay, it's not bagay.
Bakit?
Dalawang hawak na, nagtatapon. Nagarne.
No, baby, then.
Mabilis nga dapat word to mixing it. Para mabilis.
Faster mixing.
See if it will tapon, okay? Huwag na magpalit.
No, balik.
Ay, hindi tayo matatapos. Mine is so bilis. Nakakabilis bagay.
I got the pizza.
Ayan, matatapo. Watch mo muna ko. It's too mixing.
Wow.
Don't move, help Tito. Mommy's washing this.
Dahil hindi mo lang inagata. Hindi lang mo. Pagod na siya, nanood na lang siya. Si baby.
Are you tired, Peach?
I try.
Tired?
I try.
I'm tired guys daw.
George is tired na?
Taste it, it is yummy. Say 10 over 10.
Yummy.
Say 10 over 10.
Every time on my time. Twist. This.
Let's pictures first.
Daddy, Dad, my name, Mommy. I just smile. I just smile.
Wala ka dyan.
No.
Siya
It's
dyan.
Mommy, Mommy.
Wow, you're so galing. Ayaw naman lumaki?
Ayaw.
Oo, meron.
Baby.
It's tired.
Baby.
Oh, babe.
Bigyan mo to ng tubig, be.
Bakit?
So, yung baby.
Yung?
So, ito na guys, yung lalagyan ng gray honey. Ala! Huwag mo pinatang dito.
Ako
Konti
naglagay.
lang. Okay. Bibi, kuha ka ng ano. Kutsara, dali, sasalin niyo dito yung...
Hi, Mommy. What you doing?
Hi guys, we're going to put this na. Hugasan mo.
Bugas na to.
Hindi pa.
Hindi ba?
Opo.
Yung hand. Hindi ba?
Huwag na.
Ba?
Hindi pa yan hugas.
Diba?
Hmm?
May salong lagay ko sabon.
Dali na. Huwag na.
Wag na. So dirty.
Okay.
Mommy, Daddy, yaman.
Hmm?
So dirty, Mommy. This so dirty.
Akin na. Huwag mo na.
Ba't binasama ko?
Minove mo to, no? Minove mo daw to.
Saan?
Pero mo dyan. Saka yung plastic. Wait lang, anak. Wait lang. Wait lang. Gonna put it here. Tadaan.
Eh, babasain dapat.
Hmm.
Para pumasok sa loob ng ano.
Para mag-ano siya.
No, wait.
Dapat
Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang.
Diyan, ganyan.
Wait lang.
No.
Yan, halo-halo mo siya. Ah, wait lang.
No, I halo.
Yes.
It works. Mommy,
Oh.
I put dito, ha?
Ha? Buksan mo ito yung...
Mommy, I put dito.
Ay, lalagyan ko na.
Mamaya, mamaya.
Dito.
Wait lang po. Pupulan dito.
Tapos nakataya na. Dalawang nakatayo. Hindi ka siya. Hindi, dalawang nakatayo.
Hindi siya kasya pala.
No, I put.
Anak, later! Mommy's not yet done. Putting this
Not
in.
done yet. Not yet done. Not.
Mommy, I put in.
You're putting there. Go. Faster, anak! You're so slowly. Baby, kumuha ka ng kutsara mo.
Right? Mommy, wait.
Faster, put na another one. Get na! Get!
Dapat bilang lang.
Get na!
We'll help you, Johan.
Yan.
No.
No, no. Bilisan mo kasi. You faster. Pagkakuha mo, yan, ganyan, oh, salin-salin. Yung salin-salin. Wait lang ba? Yan na, natapo na, sayang.
No. Mommy,
Johan, Rich, your tuna. You have tuna.
Mali, natapon na.
Dali, faster. Ang dami, anak!
Ito na si Friends.
Huwag na ito, Johan. Ito na, bigyan mo yung maliit kutsara.
Hindi ko tapos yan eh.
Dali! Oh, wala na yun. Yung kabila, wala na.
Yung magkarami ko ulit. Mamaya na ulit.
Wait lang, anak. Wait a minute. Not yet pa si mami, oh.
If mom say yes, you will put. If say mommy not, no, don't put.
Go.
Put the baby.
Baby, put here. Yan. O, go na. Baby. Maubos na natin yung isa. Ito naman.
Ayan.
Wala, putulog siya. Huwag mo mamaya na. Ayaw ka na.
Ay, sa taas
Wala,
pa yan.
putol.
Ba't lalagyan ko? Nakakunin.
Go na, go, put. Dali na. So many. Put all of it. Ako na nga.
Ako? Mommy. I love you, Mommy.
I love you so much.
Nga tiba naman. Pagalitan. I love you, mom.
I love you,
I
Mommy.
love you so much. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Wait lang.
And also working.
Yo, wala na. No more na. Ubus na.
Tapos na.
Opo.
Oh, Leon. Oh.
O, dali na. Miyon pa, miyon pa. Mami na, mami na. Mami na.
Mommy!
Dali na, faster na. Nasayaw pa naman. Are, dini, o wala pa. Hindi, dyan, dini. Oh, wala pa dito, oh.
Mas na.
Oh no, ubos na. Guys. Ubos na, guys. Naku, nababad siya.
Let's have look yan.
I did that.
Si Rich ba naman? Dali, ganyan nga. Kalat mo na.
No good me. You share me. Anymore.
Don't share me anymore daw.
Sorry na si Rich. Don't share me anymore.
The other one naman.
The
Yeah,
other
ubos
side,
na.
wala na. Ay, nalimutan ko yan. Normal na.
Ba't kailangan ibabad?
Hmm?
Ba't kailangan ibabad?
Para mag-firm siya. Nakatikim ka ba nung gawa ko ng Graham?
Oo.
Masarap siya, hindi siya maano. Wait lang. I'm gonna put here.
10 over.
Wala, ubos na. Mamaya.
Ganyan ba ang ginawa mo? Ha?
Hi, teacher, you waiting?
Yun, bike na si Rich. Siyo ka ng iyong bike kasi ayaw mo magpa-help.
Baby, you want?
Hmm?
Baby, you. Baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, smart.
Thank you so much.
Oh.
Mamaya, anak mo, bawal na.
Mommy.
Yung baby, yung maliit da ako naman. Ayun, yung maliit na bukas.
Mommy, I love this.
So, ubos na, guys.
Ito, dirugin natin.
Pero para ilalagay natin dito sa bawal anak ganyan. Ubos na, guys. We're done. Yung ano, yung so yummy, guys. Tcharan! Tapos na, guys. Anak, it's a design. Ay, ang grapes yun. Lagyan natin dito sa ibabaw.
How does it?
Yeah, taste mo. Taste mo siya.
But apple na.
Is it yummy? Ano yun, ma? Bebe? Yan. Ako na.
But apple na lang. Don't touch it na. It will be away. Put mo here. Put mo dito. Yan, okay na. Watch mo only. Say hi guys, we're finished. Yan, lulubog yan. Oh. Let's bite na.
You want baby?
Magtataob yan. It will taob. Put mo lang yan.
Baby, hey. Baby. It's time. Eat. Baby. Eat.
I don't like. I don't like it. I don't like it. Ayan, ipunta mo doon. Sayang.
Hindi iwain mo ilagay ha. Ganito.
Wow. Mommy.
Wait lang. Lagay mo, anak. Lagay mo. Ayan. Ayusin mo, anak, ha? Ang dali,
Ba't
ganun.
magkakahiwalay?
Anak,
5 lang dito.
bigyan mo si Rich. Anak, hindi ganyan. Hihiwain pa ng mami. Lagay mo doon, put.
It's like diretso mo. Yan, so nice.
Wait lang. Wait lang.
Johan, how does it like this?
Kinain.
Let's taste it daw, Johan.
Gatgar na magiging itsura na. Tiglili mo yun. Tikang ka na. So,
Patapos na.
don't dance kasi. Don't dance.
Dali. Anak, lagay ko ni dito. Huwag mo iwanan, Bi. Tulungan mo na si Rich para magaling na yan.
Don't lubog yan. Lubog na. Put only, don't lubog. Don't lubog. 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 Ayaw niya magpahinga.
I show you.
Baby, anak lang mo si Tito Johan. Tito Johan will help you.
That's me. Oh. There's more baby bees.
na.
Ta-da! I have this. Like this is.
Doon, pakita mo dun. It's good.
Ito na. Oh, wow! Ang ganda naman ng ganda, anak. Sprinkle. Sprinkle mo. Sprinkle. Baby, ano mo na? Italikod mo.
Talikod. Wow.
Sprinkle.
Thank you.
Look, Lolo.
Kahingi.
Sprinkle. Kita yung ano, kay Hams.
Bit kahingi.
Kita, kay
No.
Hams.
Bibi, what's that?
It's the graham with grapes and apples, Lolo. Alright, it's done. Finished product. Say, finished product. Bye mga kakilay. Say, bye mga kakilay. Thank you so much for watching. Subuan mo, Lolo. Subuan, Lolo.
Lolo. Wow, thank you. Harap, no?